I'm Bart Danis with Ottawa Fastener Supply, the tool and equipment store, and I am the business development manager for the store. Well, we have a lot of vendors in one location, so people can come down and see a lot of our top suppliers at one time and see all the new products that's been out. This event is more information event. This is, like I said, showing new products and stuff. There's no pressure to buy anything. It's not a sale. It's just really trade show based, and like I say, an opportunity to see a lot of new products. This is for anybody in the trades, industrial, anybody that buys safety or equipment or tools should come on down.
This is something, is this brand new?
It is kind of new. It's new to the market,
Yeah.
right? Like we've been launching this like about 6 months ago.
Okay.
So it's a new cable stapler. So it's a part of the M12 platform.
Yep.
We designed this for the electricians just to make their life easier and more productive, right? So Milwaukee is all about of making the job site more productive and more efficient, right? So that's the idea.
The brushless motors are what's really giving you longer runtime. But you can go, like we have chainsaws with 15 amp motors for arborists, or 15 amp batteries in them right now.
Yeah.
So
okay.
this is, the advancement of batteries is just tremendous what's going on now.
A lot of our suppliers haven't had an opportunity to be able to see the public, so it gives them an opportunity to see people and people to see them and find out what's been happening in the industries over the last few years. You can learn more at ottawafastenersupply.com.